Okay guys, this is quick. This is a Ford Explorer motor 4.0. If you're trying to turn it on and nothing happens, it just, no crank, nothing. First you want to check this light. That is the anti-theft. When you put the switch and you're going to turn it on, you got to look at it. If it turns off, it's good. That's not the issue. Now, if that's not the issue, relay is not the issue, battery's not the issue, it's most likely your starter. So go under your truck, give a couple hits to the starter. If you hear a weird sound going around, it's the starter. I'm saying it because it happened to me today. I was checking my truck and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna upload a video just, giving a few tips or at least saying what happened to me. So look out for it. Just check the anti-theft thing, check relays, and the owner's manual, see the which relay it is, and, go from there.